to our big story this morning. Today is day 2 of the Farnborough International Airshow in London. Mobile Mayor Sandy Stimpson, along with other city and county and state leaders, are there right now working hard to sell Mobile to potential Airbus suppliers.
The hope is to convince aerospace-oriented companies to set up shop at the port city. Right now we're joined by Mobile County Commissioner Connie Hudson, who is also attending that air show. Connie, thanks for taking the time this morning, and take us through your typical day at this air show. What's going on?
Well, good morning, everybody. Well, we have everybody here on the ground. We are off making calls on different booths, potential clients that are Airbus suppliers, and everybody from precision components to industrial metals and logistics and warehousing, you name it. We are hitting everybody here that might be a potential customer to come to Mobile. And of course, our job is to sell Mobile. So I think everybody's doing a wonderful job. It's just very, very busy at this point. We've been at it for several hours.
Ma'am, you know, though it's day 2, tell me how you're feeling right now. Does this feel very successful? Does this feel very positive? And how does this impact us back here?
Well, you know, one thing that we are noticing is in the past, when I attended air shows before we landed Airbus, you know, nobody really knew where Mobile was or anything about it. There was a lot more explanation required. But now when we mention Mobile, it's like, yes, we're watching what's happening. We want to wait and see a little bit and see how things take off once they start putting the airplanes out and what capacity they reach. And, you know, but we're watching, so there's interest, most certainly.
Well, Connie, what is the biggest challenge when it comes to asking businesses to relocate here?
Well, I think right now they are looking for a certain production level. They're looking at a critical mass. You know, it's a bottom line for them. You know, what is most cost savings in terms of shipping components and materials. You know, once it reaches the point where it's advantageous for them to move closer, then I think we're going to see more of a migration of these suppliers. And, you know, but everybody seems to think that it will happen. We just have to wait and see at what point in time it does.
So we know it's afternoon there, but the question is what's next? What's next for you for today and moving on into tomorrow?
Well, we will continue our meetings today and through the afternoon. We have a reception tonight where we have invited a number of the different customers that are here and suppliers, and so that will give us, you know, the more opportunities that we have for face-to-face discussion, the better. And part of this is introductory. I mean, a lot of these different companies, you know, we haven't had an opportunity to actually meet with them and tell them about Mobile. And so, you know, it's just getting on their radar for potential in the future. And I think that is very important.
Well, Connie, we appreciate the time, appreciate the work out there, and again, do your very best to bring home some more businesses back to the port city.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Connie.
I love seeing all the pictures coming out of the meetings as well.